lock pickers, and today we have this strange little lock. It's called Mindy and it's a top security lock. Also, it has a hardened shackle. I don't know whether to believe it or not, but I'm not taking a hacksaw to it yet. Also, it has this bit that says top. God knows what that's for. But if you pick it out, you can just see the end of the shackle. So yeah, the only thing interesting about this is the fact that it is a smiley lock. So, as I've not picked a smiley on the channel before, I thought let's have a go. So I'm going to use one of the Sparrow's black flag picks, and I am going to use one of these tension tools that come out of the cheapy sets from the Chinesium sets. So let's see if we can't get in this little beauty. I haven't shown you the key yet, but once we have had a play at trying to get in here, then we shall have a look at the key. I'm not saying I will get this open. This is the most camera shy lock. The amount of times I've tried filming this and got absolutely nowhere. It's hard to tell sometimes whether you're in under a pin or slipping off the ward in here. Feedback from this is a bit poor as well. That's the amount of times that I've had this on camera, set it recording, and I'll pick for 5, 10, 15 minutes, get nothing, turn it off, opens up. You can pick it off camera as much as you like, as soon as that camera goes on. So now I'm not opening. So this Mindy is quite stubborn. Oh, we can't see it, we can't tickle her open. Getting nothing. Start it back this time. Literally nothing. I got a tiny click then. So things just drop back down again. Doesn't seem to be no rhyme or reason to this. Ease off tension a little bit. And a bit of movement then. Ah, there we go. We're in. So yeah, odd little lock. It'll be interesting to see what the pins are like on the inside. And yeah, key. Let's see if we can. So you can't really tell the bit in that well, but yeah, we've got some highs, some lows, back up to not a high. So what we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice little 5-pin lock. Comes with the 4 keys. My one, unfortunately, when I got it, well, I don't normally do that. The shackle doesn't always close. Sometimes you have to give it a good old whack. But yeah, interesting little lock, and nice semi-fun little pick. So yeah, I might get medieval on this and pull it to bits and see what it's like inside. But yeah, for now, I'll leave this with you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.